guys, I was so excited to start and finish my hair that I forgot to do an intro, but welcome to my channel. It's Lexi and I hope you enjoy this video. So I've already shampooed and conditioned and blow dried my hair, and these are the results. I didn't blow dry it super duper straight because I'm about to braid it up, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, first I've got to part my hair. I think I'm doing these super like jumbo braids, so I think I only want like maybe 10 braids on my head. I don't know, it's hard to do really jumbo braids. Even though I like that style, it's hard to do them because my hair is just that thick. Let's try.
I'm just gonna part them first before I start braiding. I find it to be a lot easier, especially when I'm doing my own hair.
Okay, and I'm just gonna use some jam, just the Shining Jam Extra Hold. I couldn't find the one for braiding in the red jar. That's what I've been liking to use. I feel like it's a little bit more sticky and it holds my hair down a lot better, but I'm gonna just use this for now. I don't plan on keeping these braids up very long anyway, so yeah. Okay, and I'm just gonna put that all around my part. And rubber band each section. I probably go around like maybe 3 times, 4. I don't want it too tight, but I do want it secured because my hair, especially when I sweat, my hair gets really soft, and then like the hair, the rubber band, whatever, will slide right out of my hair, or it'll slide down and then it feels like all extra loose, and I don't like that. So I like to make sure my rubber band is pretty taut, I'll say. Okay, first row in the back is done. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. I'm actually gonna go ahead and part out. So I'm gonna part out like a horseshoe or a U shape, starting from like the middle of my brow on each side and stopping like right at the top of my head. I have a mirror like right here so that I can actually see what I'm doing, because at this point I don't even know how this is gonna turn out. Let's see. Oop. I'm parting blindly here. So I'm not putting product, I'm just rubber banding this section off. You can clamp it or whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm just moving it so that I can kind of feel how wide I want my sections a little bit better. So I'm gonna part the rest and then I'll be back. Okay, so now my hair is completely parted, and I've rubber banded each section. Okay, so now I don't even know. Okay, so I'm doing braids because I have like all this extra hair, this braid hair that I need to use up. Okay, I thought I had more than what I've got, so I've got 2 packs of the Easy Braid in the number 2. I thought I had like several of these, but apparently these were the only 2 in this color. And I really wanted them, like, I wanted these braids pretty long, but this is the shorter pack, so I don't know, I'm gonna have to like try to extend my braids. And then I've also got I don't even know. I've got a pack of this braid hair. It's Quick Braid Medium by Afrail, I guess. Yeah, Afrail. And it's a little bit longer. So, I don't know. I'm probably going to use these for like either the back. I'm probably going to use this for the back or maybe towards the top. And then I have this hair that I've already used. It's like the double pack of the Easy Braid. I'm about to like rig these braids up because I need my hair done. I could not have gone one more day with what I had going on. I couldn't. And then I don't know, or to make them longer, I might be using, it's still Easy Braid, but it's the color 1B 350. So that'll kind of give me like some little cute color at the bottom. I don't know, let's see. Does that match my skin or does it? I think it's like a little bit more reddish than my skin, but it's gonna be cute. Okay. All right, braid number 1. 13 more to go. Okay, this is what I've gotten so far. Yeah, I like it. They're kind of big, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna like it once I'm done with these last 4. Okay, so let me just finish those up so I can be done because I'm already tired of doing it. Hey guys. Okay, so this is the next day after I completed my hair, but I had something to do yesterday and I just forgot to get an outro and like really show you guys the results, but this is them. I don't know, like I just laid some baby hair a little bit, not too much, and I sprayed it with some Got to Be spray, dipped them in the ends in hot water, just to lay it all down. But yeah, I think I really like the size of them, but I think I would like it a lot better if they were knotless. Now it's hard for me to do knotless on my own head. I might try it because I really think that I would like them if I did knotless, but yeah, I think they're really cute, really something very easy for me to deal with right now instead of my actual hair. Yeah, they're really easy. Like, so instead of me wearing them down, I really wasn't fond of how they looked down because of the knots sticking out. I don't know, some people might like that look. It's okay. It's not like I'm worried about it. It's just, I don't know. I just didn't like the way it looks. So I pulled the front 2 on each side. I just pulled them back and put them in like a ponytail. But yeah, this is like something really quick, really easy. Put my scarf on at night, oil it, In the meantime, I'll probably keep these braids maybe a week, if that. I change my hair a lot, so a week is probably gonna be about as much as these braids get, about as long as these braids get. So, you know, but yeah, if you like this look, be sure to let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna be trying some more looks, just doing something different with my hair. I'm really deciding on whether I want to cut it or not. So yeah, I'm trying to do some different things. Just maybe that'll inspire me to keep my hair, but if not, I'm going to cut it. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.